If you're interested in learning how to trade stocks and make money, trade cryptocurrencies, then you've come to the right channel. So we'll wait for a few people to join up. And just, if you're new here, just sit back and relax, buckle up, and we'll get into it. We will get into some of the market action today. NVIDIA is up to 144. Tesla's up a little bit. Dow Jones is up 270. The S&P is up a little bit. The NASDAQ is up a lot, though. 1.4%. That's where NVIDIA is resting. Let's go, guys. Join the live. Join the live. So oil is actually moving back down. So a main headline right now is Dow climbs, S&P 500 and NASDAQ bounce as fears of wider Mideast war ease. So for some reason, something's going on that they think the war is going to not play out as fiercely or immediately right now as many thought. And I actually had a feeling. The chart was telling me oil was going to spike up because it was oversold technically on a technical basis. And just looking at the charts and just from years of experience, I could tell, okay, oil probably going to pop back up. And that's what the charts were telling me. So, and then the news came out that there was attacks over there and possible retaliation. And this is what caused oil to come back up. So there might have been a lot of shorts on oil. So this is what they do. They surprise the markets with massive news and all the shorts get wiped out. Guess what? The market maker just got rich. You know, that's how they do it. Someone probably made a call. Let's make it seem like this war is ramping up. Let's have an attack somewhere, you know, on these facilities, and let's blow it out of proportion a little bit. And now we're seeing the end effect, which is a false alarm. Everything's okay. You know, I didn't look too much into this, but it says this is a main market headline. Fears of wider Mideast war ease. So, and guess what? It's going to come back. It's going to come back. They manipulate the markets with news, okay? That's all I'm really trying to tell you. I know it probably seems very complicated to new people. But basically, we trade the charts, and news always comes out. Certainly is one thing that I've learned is pretty much almost always true. If you trade the charts, you'll do okay. News comes out, surprises everybody. Guess what? The charts were correct. You know, oil went back up. Talk about charts. The dollar chart is not looking good. DXY. If you want to see how strong the American dollar is, ladies and gentlemen, look up a symbol called DXY, okay? Right now, it's $98.04. So, the dollar, anything can happen, guys, but it looks to me like the U.S. dollar is getting weaker. The Doge team only saved about $1.8 trillion or 1.8, whatever the heck it is. It's only 8% of their $2 trillion goal. They saved $180 billion. That's not even enough. That's not enough, guys. It's not enough. And then Elon Musk already left. And people were taking bets on if the Doge team would be successful, if we would get $5,000 stimulus checks. Guess who was making money? Probably the people that were the market makers, the people that host these websites. Yeah, you could actually bet on if the Doge team is going to complete their goal. And who knows? This is all just a show we're watching. What happens if the Doge team, everyone thinks it's done? So everybody takes a bet that the Doge team will not be successful. That means everybody will be on one side. Then what does history tell us? Something will come back. Oh no, the Doge team, they completed their goal. They did it. And then all those people get wiped out. That probably won't happen, but it's just an example to show you, look how the market is positioned. Oftentimes the opposite is going to happen. And that's how being a contrarian investor can help you make much more money. So this guy has money, yes. Mr. Toe Dude said something. So hi, Mr. Toe. Thanks everybody for being in here. I appreciate all you guys. We're just talking about the markets today and just any news that's coming off the top of my head. And I didn't have time to even look at the markets hardly at all today. But I am now. I'm on a plane about to leave. Okay, Wyatt, wow. Where the heck are you going? I got a friend who just went to freaking Disneyland. But yeah, where are you going, I wonder? Thanks, Jesus Rodriguez. You've been with us a while now. Flying to Seattle. Seattle. Guys, remember, you got to take your training seriously too, your workouts. Okay? I always like flex and stuff like that for a joke. You know, I have fun with it. It's fun. But training is actually very serious. You've got to take your building up your body seriously. I heard one study that showed that like you're going to live longer if your thigh muscles are stronger, like your quads. And I believe this is true, you know. You live longer if you have a better muscle, lower body fat. If you strength train, you strengthen your bones too, so you're less likely to get like osteoporosis and stuff. Just make sure you take lots of calcium. I don't have any calcium here, that's why I'm looking for it. But remember, guys, so you got to do push-ups or bench press if you want. Try to do squats and deadlifts, and definitely pull-ups. Okay. Sacramento. I left Seattle. It was the most liberal place I have ever been. Oh yeah, the No Kings protest. Yeah, I was just checking out how that was going. They just don't like Trump. That's all it is. Like, what the heck is this, guys? This freaking No Kings protest. What is really the purpose of it? It could be that the organizers of it are making a lot of money. Okay? But there's money coming in from somewhere. Where is a lot of this money coming in that can pay these protesters? What is really going on? There could be very powerful people that are trying to control the markets or control the sentiment, control the people. You know, there's something going on here that's bigger. It's big, okay? But yeah, they just don't like Trump at all. Fourth of July. Yep, that's one of the best days in American history. Guys, I'm training hard. I'm training hard. I'm trying to follow the principles of Mike Mentzer. He believed that you should train with less volume, so fewer sets, more intensity, so you go till failure, and even beyond failure, which is the crazy part. And working out infrequently. Those are his three main principles. Infrequent workouts. That means you don't work out a lot. Okay? On paper, it kind of sounds too good to be true. Like, wait a minute. I don't have to work out a lot. I just have to make sure that when I do go to the gym, I train extremely hard for 20 or 30 minutes. It sounds pretty good. You just got to really push yourself. You ever see Tom Platt's workout? He pushed himself beyond the limits. Look up that guy if you're looking for some bodybuilding motivation. Tom Platz. So I want to follow the training principles of Mike Mentzer. And I kind of have been adapting to his strategy. Except, you know, I only have like push-ups and I can't really do low reps. On my push-ups, I'm already up to like 32 reps. I could do more than that, but I don't want to hurt myself. I could probably do 35, 40 push-ups. And I got to start adding weight. Okay, see you later, man. I got to go too, dude. I'm going to be out of here in just about 2 minutes. I got to go too. I can like 10 in a row. Okay. Perfect. I'm counting on you. I'm counting on everybody. I'm counting on everybody to help out this channel. Trying to get this channel to grow. It's really tough. It's really tough. We got 3 people watching this. And yeah, it's tough. Let's check out the price of Bitcoin. Maybe that'll help wake up the algorithm. But I don't think they're really pumping Bitcoin at all. Well, today it's pumping, but look at the freaking price of gold. It dropped 47. You know, I want gold to go down to like 2,400 so I could buy some gold. I want to buy some gold, you know? But you have to buy it at 33.83. You have to. You know, it's foolish not to. Yes, we wish the price of gold would go down, but it's not. I highly doubt it. Well, gold is getting so much attention now that even if like the stock market crashed, I don't think gold would really go down hardly at all, just because of how much strength gold is showing. Gold is showing strength beyond what the stock market is showing. Here's the stock market. Here's gold. It's sick, dude. Gold's making sick move. Oh, look at Bitcoin. Woo! 108. Let's do it. Bitcoin 108. Oh, shoot. We're going to be making money on my crypto. Okay. Bitcoin has to go above like 112. It's really got to go back up to 110, 112. And then if it can go above that, breaking out of a double top, that could be pretty bullish. Bitcoin could really go up to 120 or 130, which is within 2 weeks. That's how Bitcoin moves. It moves very fast. They startle everyone. They surprise everyone. They try to get everyone to jump on Bitcoin real quick. And if we hit a new record high, you could expect Bitcoin to go much higher, okay? If we go above, I'm going to say 112. So I'll be watching very closely for you guys, and I will give the alert on my Patreon for the paid members of when to put in a larger portion of money or go all in, so to speak, on different meme coins and altcoins. And I'm going to tell all the Patreon members which ones I'm going in on, okay? Okay, I do have to go now. So, guys, as a final reminder, please join the Patreon. Thanks for saying nice stream, dude. It was a nice quick one. But you got to join the Patreon if you want to support this channel. And I'm going to try to do my best no matter what, no matter if you guys join or not. I'm going to try not to give up. I'm doing my best. I got to go to my day job now. So I got a lot of work to do, a lot of computers to sell, a lot of TVs to sell. I'll see you guys later.